Hello, it's John Freddy Romero, and this is my Wiki project. This is my home page, and let's get started, okay? The first requirement was the entry page. The user should be able to type in the title of an entry, like HTML, and he must be taken to that particular entry. As we can see, this is working. It was also specified that if the user types in a non-existing title of an entry, he must be notified with an error message. Okay, so let's go for the next requirement. Okay, it says that in my home page I have to have a list with all my entry names, and I should be able to click every single one of that names, and I must be taken to that particular entry. Okay, as we can see, this is working. And now the search requirement. Okay, the user should be able to type in a query, and if that query matches with an existing entry name, he should be taken to that particular entry. Okay, but if the query doesn't match with an existing entry, he must be taken to a list with all the results that his name matches with the query. As we can see, this is working. The next requirement is about the new page. So I click this link, and I have been taken to this form. Okay, it allows me to enter a title name and type markdown content. Okay, so let's fill it, and then click the save button. As you can see, I have been taken to the just created Facebook entry. Okay, if we go home, we can see that the Facebook entry has been added to this list. Okay, so let's go for the next requirement. It's about the edit page. It says that every single page has to have an edit button. As you can see, this button take me to the edit page that display the title of the entry and a text area with the markdown content of the entry, and we can edit this markdown content. We can remove whatever I want, and we can add new lines like this one. Then I click the save button, and I must be taken to the updated entry. Okay, here is the changes. Okay, if I go home and I click the Facebook entry, I see that the changes already are in my entry. Okay, so this is working. Let's go for the next requirement. It's about the random page. So if I click this link, I has to be taken to a random page. As you can see, it is working. And the last requirement is about the Markdown to HTML conversion. Okay, as you can see, in the entries directory, I have all my .md files. Okay, and for example, this particular MD file is the Facebook file that I have just created. Okay, as you can see, this is markdown content that in my Wiki project is converted to HTML code for being displayed to the user. Okay, and that's all. Thank you.